Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here. As always, today is the second day. We are in Dallas. We are driving back to New Jersey. If you guys didn't watch the last video, sorry for my voice. It's just like 6:30 in the morning. I need to leave as soon as I can. We got a C6 Corvette in Dallas, and I still need to explain to you guys all the details of the transaction, why I got the car here down in Dallas. But here are luggage, plenty of space on a Corvette though. Yeah, let's hit the road. I will talk with you guys and show you guys like the journey. It's around 1,700 miles. I hope the car makes though. I really hope the car makes. I don't know the car enough to say that it's gonna make safe. I'm praying, so let's go, baby. 21 hours, 1,500 miles. You ready? Let's do it. Well, first problem, even before we leave, the seat belt fell off. I'll try to do a quick fix. I don't have any tools on me though.
Let's stop at a Home Depot or something.
We guys know we're gonna have a lot of stuff to do with this car. So what happened, there's a bolt holding the seat belt there, you see? And I don't know why it was loosed, but regardless, I fixed it. We're good to go. I'm getting high tire pressure. Like, I don't know what's going on, to be honest, because it seems to be fine. I stop it and it seems that it's fine, but I just want to make sure it's 100%. We drove around, let's say 300 miles already. This is the first time I see this thing here like working with credit cards, which is good. I don't know why I got like 40. This one was 43 psi. The rear one also was 43. So I put a 35 in every single tire just to make sure I don't get any more messages here. And it's so hot. I don't know if that has anything to do. Now I need gas. So let's get gas as well since we stopped it. Again, I drove for around 4 hours. Something like that. I still have like the GPS is still showing me 18 hours, 17 hours to go. But I need gas. It's not empty, you see. So let's see. It's gonna be my first time filling it up. Okay. First fill it up. It's not actually fill it up because it's not empty, but 40 bucks. I went with V Power. I hope that's enough. More driving. Sounds good. All right, another 17 hours. Number 2, we are in Tennessee. So far the car is doing very Better than I thought, to be honest. Almost half tank now on the last time I fill it up. And yeah, we're gonna drive another. Oh yeah. So we're gonna drive another 5 hours and then find some place to sleep. We're probably gonna have like another break between now and the time we find somewhere to sleep. We drove a little over 500 miles. The car is doing awesome. I don't have anything to complain. And you have anything to say? So cheers. We still have another 14 hours, so time to go. Second stop for gas. $44 this time. I went with premium, so we're good to go. I need to find a place to sleep and then I will close today. Okay guys, so we just finished the first day of the trip. I want to give you guys experience. Maybe if you're thinking about buying a car from another state and drive back home, that's how it is. So I am so happy with the car so far. I hope we make the same way we got here on half of the way. The drive experience is just amazing. It, of course, is a 2007 Corvette. It's not brand new, but drives like a new car, and that's one of the reasons why I got it. Even the fuel economy is not that bad. So when I got the car, the dealer gave me a full tank of gas, and so far I fill it up twice. Keep in mind, from Texas to Jersey, it's like we're talking about 1,500 miles. Still have 650 miles to go. We just found a hotel here near to, I think we are near to Nashville. I believe I would need 2 more tanks of gas. I'm filling up the tank with the best gas I can find, which is around 305, 302, depends where I am. So every time I fill it up, it's like $44, $45, as you guys saw. I just want to give you guys this summary. 2 more, we have another journey. See you in the morning. I need to get some sleep because I still have another 10 hours drive. So far so good. I'm happy with the Corvette, and I hope you guys enjoying the content as well. See you. It's 6:30 in the morning. It's not as hot as I thought it would be here in Tennessee. So let me load all my stuff, my wife's stuff as well. First time cold start. I'm gonna try to give you guys a different point of view, a little bit of driving. Saw kind of an accident. I'm not sure what it is. Oh boy, it's a trailer against 2. Oh boy. Oh my god, I hope nobody got hurt. Just be careful. Try to think that people are like not patient, so you have to drive for yourself and for the others. So I hope nobody got hurt there. last stop. We are in PA right now. Whoa, we're back home, guys, and I know that was crazy. I'll give you guys a summary of my trip, but just to let you know, the car made safe. I didn't have any issue. I had it's not an issue, it's something that happened. I will show you guys. I just washed the car because all the bugs the front bumper got, and if you guys are seeing the front bumper a little bit darker, it is because I think I explained in the last video, there's like expel here. I don't know how good you guys can see, and just to protect the entire front of the car. The paint underneath should be really in good shape. There's also the clip for the bumper broke it. I think I was pulling to a gas station and I just did a bad job, but I'll fix it and you guys gonna see it. I'll definitely fix it. The only problems I have with the car so far, besides that, just gas. I was watching all the time the oil pressure and all the gauges. I was making sure that nothing happened. So I was doing my best to keep track of the car, and the car was doing fabulous. If you're with the channel for a little over a year, you know I was always talking about getting a project car. The Corvette is my dream car. Again, I'm not buying the Corvette just to make content with. The main resource for the Corvette comes from my 9-to-5 job. It's my main income right now. Again, it's just hard work. My main goal getting a Corvette, 2007 Corvette. I still have a lot of stuff to do with the truck. Why I got 6.6 Corvette 2007? It's really simple. First of all, because I cannot afford the C7, and even if I could afford the C7, I don't want to buy a brand new car because I want to do a lot of stuff by myself. So with that in mind, imagine what I did with the truck. If you're an OG subscriber, you know I got my truck super stock. I still have a lot of stuff to do, but it's coming along. You have to agree, it's coming along. I love the truck. I love it. It's everything, you know. It's my baby. Still have a lot of to do. I'm not even halfway done with the truck. So keep that in mind. But the Corvette is a dream come true. I had to do it. I just find the right deal. I don't want a Z06 because I want to do more stuff, and I don't want a brand new car because I want to do more stuff. And my main goal is to show you guys that you can have a sports car and a nice truck without having a lot of money. That's my main goal here. So if you're here for the first time and you want to subscribe, that's what you're gonna get. Yeah guys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. I tried to record as much as I could from the trip, but just keep in mind, nothing comes to you for free. I always had that in my heart. If I want a truck and I want a Corvette, I have to work hard for it. I have to, you know, put in the time, put in the hours, give up a lot of good stuff so I can afford those things. So, and that's my message to you. So what my channel is about is to show you guys that we both can do it. We can get stuff like this, and we can also have fun. That's the main thing as well. We're gonna have a lot of fun. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. As always, don't forget, enjoy life.